Hey guys, this is Legendary Gear 7 here with Infinite Thunder.
Alright.
And I'm about to waste all my gems on this chest for you guys.
You only have 8. It's an hour, dude.
I'm not waiting hours, screw that.
Let's go. Gold,
Screw
royal
it.
cards, goblins, spear gods, wizard, clone. And here's the legendary.
Oh, let's see how much we have to jerk off, guys. Fuck you.
Night Witch. Strike the Night Witch.
Yeah, fuck the Night Witch. You're joking. Oh my
You get
god.
all the crappy ones.
Okay, let's just... one more.
Pleasant, I guess.
Can we get some arrows? There we go. Okay.
You're satisfied with that?
None of these
kind of forced
cards.
to be satisfied with that.
None of these cards are really good, except for the bandit. I really wanted arrows and stuff, but you know,
Yeah,
it always has to give me. I always get crappy legendaries, but thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I need one more bandit to upgrade. So, thanks for watching. Who else is on? Oh, Infinite Thunder's on. But thank you guys for watching. And I might be back with a Brawl Stars video later. So, see ya.